Itchy eyes, it can be miserable, but there's now a new state-of-the-art treatment repairing the problem in record time.
A doctor in the Woodlands believes it's one of the biggest advancements in treating not only dry eye disease, but many other problems affecting the cornea. Kiki Coi Mariano suffered for decades with painful dry eyes. It even affected her eyesight.
After the afternoon, I would start getting tired, itchy, burning sensation, all different kinds of things. It is miserable. It sounds and feels miserable.
Kiki is certainly not alone. Dry eye disease is a chronic inflammatory condition that affects millions of people. A new treatment, though, quickly stopped her pain thanks to amniotic tissue from new mothers who donate their placenta after their baby is born.
This is a technology based on amniotic tissue. And amniotic tissue is the lining of the placenta that provides, when the mother is pregnant, it provides the baby with this wonderful envelope of protection that creates that perfect environment for growth, for regeneration and tissue healing. So we can use that technology to create that almighty, wonderful, advantageous environment. It's all natural for conditions that affect the eye as well.
Dr. Julio Arroyo with Eye Health Consultants says this product from biotissue is processed in a safe way to regenerate corneas.
This is like a powder, and you can put it in a contact lens, and so that contact lens, you apply it like a bandage to the eye, so it stays in there for a few days, and it creates that natural environment for healing.
It also comes in the form of eye drops. Decades of suffering finally over for Kiki.
He took the before and after pictures because, he wanted to see and compare. And it was amazing. I think I was putting the drops in for about 2 weeks. And I came back, he took pictures, and the eyes, like the inflammation had gone up.
So you have that dry eye, you may want to put drops all day long, like lubricants, steroids, anti-inflammatory drops, but it's still going to be not affecting or influencing the root of the problem. So in these individuals, amniotic tissue creates a tremendous change in symptoms very fast, very quick, and very effectively.
Plus, it's covered by insurance. Dr. Arroyo offers this treatment for many other inflammatory eye conditions.
But if you have a corneal ulcer, something that has been caused by a microorganism, by a bacteria, if you have a corneal ulcer, a bacterial keratitis, or even herpes, certain viruses that affect the cornea as well. So it's also going to be very powerful in terms of creating that therapeutic media to provide healing.
It can be intimidating to undergo a new treatment, but Kiki shares this advice.
Don't be afraid to use and try new things, Technology progresses. Doctors who are willing to invest in new technology and new products, I would definitely recommend saying yes.
Well, it has definitely helped her.
Yeah.
Now, this treatment is also being used to help diabetics who often suffer serious eye problems. It's helping actually regenerate their corneas. So what a huge advancement in medicine.
It sure is. All right. Thanks for bringing it to us, Melissa. Appreciate it.